Mastering the art of hashtags for effective communication. Hello language enthusiasts! Today, we're diving deep into the world of social media, exploring the phenomenon of hashtags and how they've become an essential part of online culture. Whether you're tweeting, posting on Instagram, or engaging on other platforms, understanding and using hashtags effectively is crucial for cultural fluency. Let's get started. In the simplest terms, a hashtag is a word or phrase preceded by the hash or pound sign. Hash. It's a way to label content, making it easier for users to find and follow specific topics or themes. Hashtags are tools to group content and conversations, allowing users to participate in wider discussions. Have you ever seen a hashtag and wondered why so many people are talking about it? That's likely a trending topic. When a hashtag is used frequently in a short period, it can trend, drawing more attention and engagement. Trending hashtags can be about anything: current events, pop culture, memes, or even daily routines. By using a trending hashtag, you can be a part of the broader conversation. Creating a hashtag might seem simple, but there's an art to making one that's effective and memorable. Here are some tips. 1. Keep it short and simple. KISS. The best hashtags are often concise. Remember, people will be typing these out, so make it easy for them. 2. Make it relevant. Ensure the hashtag relates to the content. If you're talking about a summer vacation, hashtag summer fun might be appropriate. 3. Check its usage. Before using a hashtag, do a quick search. You don't want to accidentally attach your post to a different topic or a controversial one. 4. Avoid overuse. Using too many hashtags can look spammy. Focus on a few strong ones instead of a plethora of weak ones. Hashtags are not just tools for sorting content. They've evolved into cultural symbols. From social movements like hashtag Black Lives Matter to fun trends like hashtag Throwback Thursday, hashtags help users rally around causes, memories, and ideas. Understanding the power and cultural context behind popular hashtags can provide deeper insights into the English-speaking world's collective thoughts and values. There you have it, the wonderful world of hashtags decoded. As you engage with English content online, don't underestimate the power and impact of the humble hashtag. It's more than just a symbol, it's a way of connecting, sharing, and understanding the world around us. We hope you found this video enlightening, and remember, hashtag happy learning.